Do you have leftover Chick-fil-A macaroni and cheese and nuggets? That's good, because tonight we're going to kick it up a notch and we're going to make some buffalo ranch buffalo chicken macaroni baked. So you're going to need your macaroni and cheese, your nuggets, milk, sour cream, hot sauce, ranch, bacon bits, cheese, breadcrumbs, and butter. So the first thing you want to do is you want to turn your oven on to 350. Get that baby preheating. Make sure your rack is in the middle. Take that mac and cheese and add about 2 tablespoons of milk. Add about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Well, we got a little more than that, so we're just going to use it all. 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. And sour cream. This is one of those recipes where you just clean out. See how that is? That's like there's nothing in there. We're going to use the rest of it as well. Maybe it just doesn't want to come out. Well, there we go. We're just going to scrape this down off the edges, and then we're going to stir this all together and try to make it nice and creamy again and refresh it. You want to get it nice and creamy. If it's not creamy enough, you can add a little more milk, a little more ranch, and a little more hot sauce. That looks good right there. So now we're going to chop our nuggets like basically in half to make them a little more bite-sized. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some of those bacon bits right on top of this mac and cheese. About so. Add a couple pats of butter on there. That'll melt down. Or throw one on the floor, that's always good for it. Sprinkle a little cheese on the top. Now you can put your chicken or your cheese, but I want to put the cheese because I want my chicken to crisp. And we're going to add that chicken right on top so the chicken gets crispy. Smooth that out. You can add a drizzle more hot sauce right over the top. If you have some jalapenos, you could add them right in. This is just going to kind of flavor the chicken a little bit too. Then you're going to add some breadcrumbs. Sprinkle them right over the top. Now we're going to bake this at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just like that. You can do that with grilled chicken if you want as well. Alright, so you don't want to overcook this. We just want to warm it up and get it nice and bubbly. So that's the cheese is starting to melt. That's been 15 minutes. We're just going to put this on broil and we're going to get it nice and crispy on the top. Just a couple minutes under that broiler. Look at that baby bubbling. Nice and crispy. And there you have reheated, leftover Chick-fil-A mac and cheese, ranch, bacon, buffalo, mac and cheese. Because this is leftovers, we're obviously just going to use some paper plates. Look at that creaminess. And that chicken is good and crunchy. It's all steamy. That looks like perfection. Buffalo chicken, bacon ranch, mac and cheese. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, share these videos out, see what we're cooking next. See y'all.